Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Talisman token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Talisman is a pioneering DeFi decentralized finance plus AI wallet designed to transform crypto wallets from passive stage into intelligent yield generating engines by combining secure self-custody with autonomous AI agents. Talismans help users to grow their portfolios through automated strategies. The Seek token powers this ecosystem, aligning incentives between users, developers, and agents while capturing value from protocol activity. The token is called Seek because Talisman is built for seeks, guiding seekers on their journey, helping them unlock yield, opportunity, and autonomy while securing their safety. Talisman token total supply is 100 million and circulating supply is not showing yet. Talisman token is listed on MEXC, KCX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.